Looking for an easy swap? Though I've been trying these for about 2 weeks now, and the only problem is I'm mad that I didn't do it sooner. These are super easy to make, they're reusable, they're natural, and they only have 2 ingredients, and I bet you it's stuff that you already have. You can make these today and try them out. As you know, traditional dryer sheets leave a wax coating. They're full of chemicals, and if there is an easy alternative, I'm gonna try it. I did, and I'm happy. Okay, you're gonna need some cotton cloths in a container. You can use an old shirt in a jar. I just use these cotton cloths that I love and also use these containers. But you literally can use a jar and a cut up old t-shirt or something. And when you put it in the jar, you need to have the liquid customized to the size of your jar. As you see, these are wet cloths, but it's not sopping in the bottom. They absorbed all the liquid. So they're wet wipes, but not soaking and liquid. So make sure you have the right amount of liquid for the size jar and cloths you have, and then they'll come out perfect. Now you cannot, I use these for dryer sheets, but these are good for so many things. You can use face wipes and other stuff. So I use vinegar and some essential oil, and all you do is mix it up. You can also use witch hazel if you don't like vinegar, but honestly, you don't smell the vinegar in the dryer sheets at all. It just literally smells good, and I'm not a big vinegar lover. So you pour it directly on top of the cloths, so that way they absorb all the vinegar and essential oil. And let me tell you, this smells so good. And like I said, you can use witch hazel if you choose not to use. So let it just soak up all the liquid so that it's not in the bottom of the jar and they're wet but not soaking wet. I also want to add, this is a good idea for just wipes to clean with, or also facial wipes. You can use, some Castile soap or something. So they're for a lot of different kind of wipes. And I know I did use these for the dryer. And then you just wash them after you have them and just keep reusing them and put the simple ingredients in there. It's cheap, it's cost effective, and it works. These smell so good. You're going to love this easy swap. Oh, by the way, I'll leave a link in the description. I have a list of 3 natural recipes. And if there's anything you would like for me to try out and do on the video, just let me know and I would love to try it with you.